Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our stabilizing pads. Our stabilizers come in two different types, manual and electrical. This particular unit here has electrical stabilizers. The stabilizer door or compartment for the electrical switches are always located on the curb side of the trailer. And by opening this door, we have the two switches here, front and rear switch. Up retracts, that retracts them, and if we want to put them down, we simply press down. You can see the stabilizer going down all the way to the ground. Once we feel that it's touched the ground and it just slightly lifts the vehicle a little bit, we know that it's in a secure position and stabilized position. Then we can do the same for the front. One side might hit before the other. That's okay. Just keep pressing the button until both sides are down on the ground. Now, for some reason, the stabilizer pad doesn't reach the ground because your campsite might be unlevel. You can put the little leveling blocks or Lego blocks or pieces of wood underneath your pad so that it will reach a surface that will allow it to stabilize. Now, some of these models come with manual crank. And you'll see on each corner of the Airstream unit is a rod protruding from the bottom rear of the unit or the front corner of the unit on all four corners that will allow you to use a hand crank to manually operate your stabilizer. Up and back down. And also you can use that if for some reason your battery has stopped working, you don't have electrical power, you can't use the electrical circuit and switches to raise or lower the stabilizers, you can use your manual crank to perform that function. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.